Stuck in a heavy storm here at the Bangkok Park. Very windy. It was just a light sprinkle when I left the room. I think I'm on Soy Tan. Just left the park. The rain let up a bit. Still coming down, but pretty light. It's a Hyatt Regency straight ahead. Not sure what this is. FY and then hotel or condo, I'm not sure. Sitting at the park. There's one massage place. This is a quiet street. I don't know. I think Centerpoint's pretty expensive. Galleria 10. So it must be Soy 10.